Troopers, today we're in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. We're at the LSU AgCenter Botanical Gardens, and I'm here with Bethany today. She's very new to the channel. So what are you looking forward to about the botanical trail today?
Let's see what we can find. Any little hidden treasures. Oh yeah, so a little stream. Very shallow. Trail back on Blue Bonnet too. Little minnows. That's crazy.
So we've got two options. We have the Learning Tree Trail and the Palmetto Trail. Which one are we going to go on?
The Palmetto Trail. I saw like on social media, Matthew McConaughey had a pet armadillo. I was like, ew, that's so gross.
Yeah, I'm not thinking about that either.
I hate armadillos. They carry a lot of diseases. If they bite you or whatever.
Well, hopefully we don't see one.
I'll order a gin. I'll order a John Burnside's Miss Sheila, please.
Oh, it's nice to have a little
Thank
bar
you.
set up for us. There we go. We'll go inside.